So the first step is you're going to take your 4 straps, you're going to have it right side facing up, you're going to fold each strap in half lengthwise, you're going to sew one short end and along the long end, leaving one end open to turn, and you'll do that for all 4. Here's a quick tip for turning. A small piece of dowel, you take on your closed end, open it up, and then just start sliding it down. So you get to the end, put all the way through, and then just slide your dowel back out. And your strap is turned. The next step is going to be to take your corner piece, take one of your straps, place it in the corner, take a facing, and this is going to be right sides together. You're going to take your facing and you're going to place your facing on the right side. Now all you're going to do is you're going to sew along here, here, and here. Now with your facing, you can finish these edges before you attach them. So once the facings are all attached, you're going to turn them right side out. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to stitch from the bottom of the facing all the way down the bottom across on the long side, and you're going to leave the 2 ends open, and you'll do that for both panels. So once you have both the long edges sewn, you're going to take both panels, you're going to put them right sides together, and you're going to attach this center seam, connecting and going all the way around and through to attach the 2 panels together. Okay, so once that edge is sewn, we're going to serge around this edge and create a hem. This is going to be the pant leg for both sides. It's attached through the middle here, and then where the band is, the inner band, we're going to fold it down and we're going to stitch through the seam, tacking that band down so that it's not pulling up. And I'll bring that right back once that's done. So I serged around the bottom of both pant legs and I just folded it up 1 inch and clipped all the way around. So I'm just going to do a straight stitch all the way around and secure that hem, and then this breezy jumper will be finished. So here is the finished breeze jumper with the one size fits most. Turned out quite nice. It's very easy to adjust with those tie straps.